Okay, this is lesson 14, session 2, okay? And it's understanding area. And again, area is just the inside space of a figure or shape, okay? That's the area. And it's measured in square inches, okay? So, and remember the formula? L, which is length times width. Okay? Or I could just count all the squares, right? Okay. All right. It says look at square A and to the right. Okay. Don't worry about using a ruler. Okay. It's basically it's 1 inch. Okay. It's 1 square unit. From right here to here is 1 inch. Okay. So this is 1. This is 1. So the length is 2, and the width is how much? 2. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. Or how many squares do I have? 4. So what would be the square unit for square A? 4. Okay. What is the area of this square unit? Okay. What is the area of square A? That doesn't make sense. 4. Then look at the rectangle B. Okay. Each one of these squares is how many square units? 1. I could count all the squares, can't I? I could, but that'll take forever. Okay. It says look at the rectangle B below. Okay. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 on this side. And how many across the bottom? 7. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes. So if I put it in my length times width, the area, I have 7 times what? 5, which is 35. So the area for the rectangle B would be 35 square centimeters in this case. 35. Just by counting all the squares or length times width. Now look at this one. Is this a perfect square or rectangle or where I could do length times width? No. Does it look like this? Does it look like that perfectly? No. No. So what could I do to actually solve it? Count what? Count all the squares. See, number and count the square units to find the area. Oh, okay. I already have 1, 2, 3. What comes next? 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, 10. So the area here is how many square units? 10. What would be for 4? How many are there? Count them. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yep. 9. So if it's not a perfect rectangle or square, I can just count all the squares to find out what the area is. Let's do this one here. Okay, go ahead and do number 1 for me. Okay, find the area for each shape. Okay, so for number 1, I have 2 different types of shapes, huh? Okay, for the green one, I can go, oh, there's 2. The width is 2, the length is 5. Oh, so 2 times 5 is 10. I can do that. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I can do that too. But can I use the formula here at length times width? No, I can't because it's not a perfect square or rectangle. But I can count the squares though. 1, I'm just going to go across. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So what's the area there? 14 square units. So then here it says find the area. Well, how many shapes are that you can see right here inside? 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Or how many? What's the width right here? 2. What's the length? 3. Last time I checked, 3 times 2 is 6. That's another way to do it as well. All right, so this is lesson 14. Now it's session 3, okay? Okay, it says ideas about finding area. So we did compare these both of these shapes. Okay, let me ask you one thing. Just by looking at them, do they have the same area? No. No. Okay. So for the red one, what's the area here? It says each square has an area of 1 square meter. So if it's 1, can I just count all the squares? Yes. So how many? 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't count that one because that's just an example. All right. So what's the area for the blue one? So I said 24. Let's double check. What's the width? 4. What's the length? 6. 6 times 4 is 24. That's right, 24. Could I double check my answer by counting all the squares? Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Literally takes forever, doesn't it? Okay, let's think about how you could find the area for this shape. Huh. What do you think I would have to do here? Well, it says first draw the square units. How can I draw the square units? Connect the dots. Like this? Oh, all right, because that's not a square. So be like this. And then what do we do next? Count them. Well, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's square unit for that shape? 7. If it's not a perfect square, okay, or it's not a rectangle, then I can just count all the squares to find out the area. As long as each square is 1 square unit, then I can just count them. Oh. So that's what I want you to do. Okay? Ooh, even better. Let's do this instead. So I would have to connect the dots, right? Yes? So I'm going to have to go here, 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 and I'm making a square by connecting the dots. What would be the area for that? How many?
7, 9, 8.
Now let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.